Okay, so I've decided to do a quick unboxing video for those that might be interested. This is the Valerion Vision Master Max. I acquired this by backing Valerion in the Kickstarter campaign. So I originally backed the Pro 2, but got the Max as an add-on. What is this? Okay, that's a bottle opener. Okay, what we have here. So then it was around £1,650, I believe. But now it's retailing for about £5,000. Well, currently 4,300 and something on sales, Black Friday sales. Okay, so in the box we've also got a gimbal stand and two 3D glasses. Just chuck that on the side. And bring this throughout the show to the center. Okay. Take that off. Oh, this is a very nice leather casing compared to what the Pro 2 came in. I do like what the Pro 2 came in, I have to say. It's more like a PVC carrying case. Okay, let's get this out. What we got here? Manual. I'm guessing this is the remote control and the charger quality. That charger definitely looks much better than the one on the Pro 2. This is their flagship products. So let's see what this looks like. Whoa, this is beautiful.